Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to learn a Google Sheet. So actually there will be a lot of way to learn a Google Sheets. You can just open a YouTube to open the YouTube and type in a search button type a Google Sheet tutorials, and there will be a thousands even more videos will be appear on a YouTube. You can also do it at TikTok, so you can just open the TikTok, and after that you just need to type a in the search button a Google Sheet tutorial, and there will be also appear a lot of videos here
Tutorial.
that will be help you to understand how the way you use a Google Sheet. But there will be also the other way, which is in the Google Sheet itself. So just open the Google Sheet on your phone, and after that you just need to go into these three small lines in the left corner, and then just click it, and please go down until you found a help and feedback. You just need to click this, and here the Google Sheet application will provide you with a help resources. You just need to click what things that you want to learn first from the Google Sheets. For example, edit and format a spreadsheet. You just need to click it, and there will be a lot of information that really useful for you. You can read, and it can guide you to start a Google Sheets. For example, the edit data, you just need to finish, and if you want to find another, you can just type or click into this related links here, and there will be bring you to another information related into this Google spreadsheet tutorial. And you can also type what actually you want to have or you want to learn over this Google Sheets. For example, a function. Now, and after you're done, just need to click search, and now you just need to click which functions that you want to read first. For example, this add formula and function. You just need to read it, and that's all the way how to learn a Google spreadsheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.